Valbury provides various investment products and services in Indonesia and Asia for both institutional and retail customers. With a strong national network and an international presence, especially in Indonesia, the Valbury Group, which began making its history in 1999, has always followed developments in local and global markets closely. Today our customers include leading institutions as well as tens of thousands of retail investors who choose the Valbury Group based on our strong reputation, excellent service and a wide selection of products, all presented in a professional manner. The Valbury Group consists of PTKB Valbury Securities, PT Valbury Capital Management (VCM), and PT Valbury Asia Futures (VAF). What is a mutual fund? Mutual fund is a forum used to collect funds from the investor community to be further invested in the participation unit portfolio by the investment manager. What is a securities portfolio? Securities portfolio is a collection of securities, namely debt acknowledgements, commercial securities, shares, bonds, proof of debt, participation units in collective investment contracts, futures contracts on securities, and any derivatives of securities. Which is a mutual fund asset based on the investment made by the investment manager in accordance with the investment policy. What is meant by participation unit? Participation unit is a unit of measure that shows the share of interest of each unit holder in the mutual fund portfolio in the form of NAV, net asset value. What is meant by net asset value, NAV? Net asset value, NAV, is the fair market value of the participation unit minus all liabilities calculated by the custodian bank based on the net asset value per participation unit at the end of the relevant exchange day, after the completion of the bookkeeping of the mutual fund, but without taking into account the increase or decrease in assets mutual funds due to the purchase and/or redemption application received by the custodian bank on the same day in accordance with Rule Number IV, C.2, which is calculated and announced every exchange day in accordance with POJK number 47, POC.04 2015. What is a custodian bank? Custodian bank is a commercial bank that has received approval from BAPAPAM and LK, now OJK, to carry out business activities as a custodian that provides securities custody services, including collective custody of securities that are jointly owned by more than one party whose interests are represented by the custodian bank, and other assets related to securities and other services, including receiving dividends, interest, and other rights, completing securities transactions, and representing account holders who are customers. Valbury logo service home greater than services greater than asset management. The asset management division offers a wide range of investments such as equity, fixed income to alternative investment products and multi-asset solutions to clients such as public and private retirement plans, institutions and foundations, financial intermediaries and private investors. The services provided include conventional funds, structured funds, discretionary funds, Islamic funds and investment consulting services. With a systemic assessment of the client's investment needs, we identify potential profit opportunities and then